Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to do text embedding in React Native's new architecture using MediaPipe for like checking the similarity between two text embeddings. So firstly I'll show you guys the output. So here I have one button and I click on the button. I'm comparing embeddings of two text, and I have hard-coded those two texts. So I'll show you that text in a bit. And given that those two texts which I have hard-coded are similar, that's why I'm getting 1.0. If they were different, then you will get a value less than 1.0. Next, you will have to go to the documentation and download this TensorFlow Lite model. Once you download this, go to Android, App, src, main, assets, and here you will have to drag and drop your TensorFlow Lite model. Make sure you create the assets folder as well. Next, go to build.gradle over here, and you will have to set the min SDK version to 24. Next, go to this build.gradle and make sure you are using Kotlin 1.8.0 at least, but if you want you can update the Kotlin version to 1.9.0 as well. Next, you will have to go to gradle.properties and set this new arc enable to true, which will use the new architecture for React Native. Next, I will be copying pasting a lot of code from this turbo module docs. I don't know why the React Native folks have moved this turbo module docs to GitHub. Like previously they were part of the documentation itself. By the time you watch it, they might move it back to the documentation, but at least for now they have moved it to GitHub. Next, I have created a folder called RTN text embedding. Inside that I have created a package.json file. Again, I have copy pasted everything from the docs. Only this name changes, this changes, this changes, and this changes. Everything else remains the same. Next, I have created a podspec file. Again, I have copy pasted it from the docs. Only this name changes. Then I have created a JS folder. Inside that I have created a TypeScript file. Again, I have copied it from docs, but I have created this embed method which takes toString and returns a string as well. And here I have just changed the name as well. Next, created an Android folder. Inside that created a build.gradle file. Again, I have copy pasted it from the docs. Only I have set the Gradle version to 8.2.0, compile SDK version to 34, Kotlin standard lib to 1.9.0, and multimedia task text to this particular version. Next, go to src, create all these folders, main java rtn text embedding. First, create my text embedding package.kt. Again, I have copy pasted everything from the docs. Only this name changes, and here my text embedding module changes. Next, I have created my text embedding module.kt, and here I have created our base options.builder. I have set the model asset path, and I have created text embedder options.builder, set base option path. Then I have created options builder.build. Here I have initialized our text embedder. Then I have overridden the embed method. Then I am calling text embedder.embed. I am passing the first text. Then I am calling embedder result.embeddings.first. Similarly for second embed as well, I am calling text embedder.embed, and I am passing the second text. Again, getting the embedding result back. Now to compare it, I am just calling text embedder.cosine similarity, and it gives you the value depending on how similar those two texts are, and I am returning back the similarity. Again, this has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed. Next, you will have to open your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project, and then run this command. Once you run this command, you will have to do cd ... It will move you outside your React Native project. Then you will have to run this command, but here you will have to replace rnapp with your project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp. So over here, and over here, then cd to Android, and then run this command. So this will do code generation for Android as well. Now to use this, you can import rtn text embedding, something like this, and here I have created one touchable opacity, and I am calling the embed method, and here you can see I am passing the same text. Like that's why I was getting 1.0 as the value, and once I get the value, I am just updating our set text method, and here I am just displaying that text in that particular text component. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.